We played hide and seek for hours, raised our shadows among the pines. So offshore, playful and free, without a care in the world. I was one rich little girl, daydreamer.
Good morning. I am outside right now with my laptop and coffee, and I'm getting a little bit of work done. It's like an absolutely beautiful morning, and my family's visiting right now, but they're still sleeping, so I came out here to enjoy the morning, drink my coffee, and not wake them up. My dog is roaming around here somewhere. It's so fun having her. She's 12, but she acts like a puppy when she's like in a situation where she can like have open land and run, and it's just so sweet. But excuse my appearance also. I don't even think I took my makeup off last night. I was so tired. We went to the museum with Rockies yesterday, which I will insert those clips here, and it was super cool. My nephew's here and he just absolutely loves dinosaurs, so this was such a cool experience to be able to take him to go do, and yeah, it was just absolutely amazing. So I will insert those clips here, and I hope you enjoy them.
I'm Drakex, Digimorph, Pachycephalosaurus.
Thank you for that history lesson. That's so cool.
Now you try.
This is a Draco Rex.
Drake.
So we are in the Museum of the Rockies right now. You can see this giant Triceratops behind me, and there's a huge T-Rex back here. This museum is so cool for kids of all ages and adults. It's amazing.
Take me back, all the way back to them days. Daydreamer, kidnap me, have me running around in a gown and a crown. When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side, our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun.
Good morning. It is Friday morning right now, and we are walking down to this bakery that's only open Fridays and Saturdays from like 7:30 or 8 until they literally sell out. So I've never been before, but I'm super excited.
It's crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. You and I, we got it. We don't need no more.
Oh yeah, it is.
I just unboxed this ZARA package. I did it all on camera, but I watched it back and it was super loud, and I hate when people have super loud unboxings, so I'm just going to show you guys these tops. I got two colors of the same shirt. They were having a clearance sale. I'll link the website down below in case you guys want to shop it. I don't think that these will be like full shirts for me, because for us larger chested gals, I think that it's a little bit difficult sometimes to find tops like this that like fit properly, but it'll be a fun like undershirt, layering, things like that. And then I also got an Amazon package. I try not to order from Amazon just because I like to support smaller companies, but sometimes convenience wins out, unfortunately, as much as I hate that. But it's kind of cool. It comes in this like whole package. I ordered some new glass straws, and it was $10 for a 12. This is like a whole set, so that's really cool. They're like nice glass straws. I really like those. So they have 6 of the straight ones and then 6 of the curved ones, so that's nice to get some variety. And then 2 cleaning brushes. So yeah, I'll link these down below. I'll test them out, make sure that I like them and everything, and then I'll link them down below. But they feel like they're really good quality, and I'm excited to make a drink and mix them up. This is so funny, but I love the sound of ice with like glass straws. It just is like so fun.